Space Shuttle was the mission that built the International Space Station, launched the Hubble telescope and more. It was one of the most successful programs in history. And today we are gonna explore this program from the start. Let's start. The Apollo program that went humans to Moon the 1960 and 1970 decades it is the most important space program of our history. After that decades NASA had to find a way to continue explore space, but as the government said, with lowest cost. Before many years passed, NASA had already found the solution to make a reusable rocket. And here is when Space Shuttle idea came. Here is how Space Shuttle's program worked. First, they had to find a way to get to high altitude. That exactly did these solid rocket fuel boosters. But these weren't 100 and 100s reusable, they just splashed down to water. Then they had to make the orbit vehicle that humans needed to live there and to be reusable, so it had to came back to Earth and land like a plane. Then they had to find a way to set the vehicle into orbit. But the question is, how? This space here was used to put modules for the International Space Station. So they put this orange thing with liquid fuel that was connected with the orbit vehicle to give it fuel to set it into orbit. That was how the Space Shuttle missions worked. If you like this video, please subscribe and like.